From shoulder injury to cycling glory, a remarkable recovery story. Meet Saurav, a 44-year-old recreational cyclist and enthusiast. His passion for cycling was unmatched, but he sustained a setback when he suffered a painful shoulder injury. Saurav's ordeal began when he experienced persistent shoulder pain during his cycling sessions. Rotator cuff muscles and its importance to move shoulder. Worried about the impact on his beloved sport, he turned to our orthopedic sports surgery team for help. After a thorough examination and an MRI, we confirmed his worst fear, a rotator cuff tear. We recommended a minimally invasive procedure. Shoulder arthroscopic rotator cuff repair, to help him regain his strength and mobility. Keyhole surgery incisions. The surgery was a success, and Saurav embarked on a remarkable journey of recovery. It was not always easy, but his unwavering dedication to rehabilitation and his passion for cycling fueled his determination. Day by day, he pushed his limits and embraced the healing process with a warrior's spirit, with the help of our physiotherapy team. Today, we are thrilled to share that Saurav is not just back on his bike, he's back in the saddle with a vengeance. His recovery was nothing short of miraculous, a true testament to his dedication and the expertise of our medical team. His story illustrates that with the right medical care, a positive mindset, and hard work, you can overcome even the most daunting sports injuries.